In this video, I'm going to demonstrate two methods of grouping images together in Microsoft Word 2010. So I have a document here I'm going to use, and what I'm going to do is insert first a clipart image. So if you click on Insert, Clipart, you can do a search for clipart that you want. I'm just going to look up cloud, and I get these images here. Click on the object you want, or the image that you want. Now what's important here is that this image has to be set to wrap the text around it in order to add another image on top of it. So we're going to select text wrap and select any of these options here. I'm just going to use square, and that allows the text to wrap around it. By doing that, it makes this image freely movable anywhere I want to put it. Now the next step is to add another image on top. So I'm going to select Insert, Shapes, and we're just going to grab this arrow here, and we're going to draw the arrow, and I actually want it to point at something in the image, so we're going to spin it around like that. Now once that image is selected, hold down your Shift key and select the other image as well. Now both images are selected. You can let go of the Shift key, right click over either of the images, select Group, and then Group here. Or you can also use the Group option up at the top here in the ribbon. Once the two items are grouped together, you can still move them around, but you notice that they don't have the text wrapping around them. If you go up to Text Wrap and select Square, now you have the text wrap option again. You can also place this grouped image set back in line with the beginning of the text if you wish. While they're selected, you just select Text Wrap, Wrap Text, in line, and now the image is in line wherever you set it. So that's pretty much all there is to it, grouping two images together. While these images are grouped together, you can also make changes to them independently. Like if I want to change the color of this arrow, I can select just the arrow, come up here and change the style of the arrow, and then it's changed. I like wrapping the text around this anyway, so I'm going to keep that text wrapped around. But that's basically all there is to it, to add two images to each other and group them together so that they can be moved around independently, or together as a group, but independent of the text itself. So the second method, we're going to delete that set right there. The second method, if that doesn't work for one reason or another, there is another method. You can insert and go to Shapes, come all the way down to the bottom of the menu here. There's New Drawing Canvas. Select that, and then add your image into the new drawing canvas. Each image that you want to add together. And we'll draw the arrow again. Get that to point where I want it to point. Okay. And then you can size this group. You can size it down to the size you need. Select Text Wrap Square, and now the text wraps around the whole group of the whole group, which is two images, but now it's inside of a drawing canvas. And still you can operate on these each image independently. I can go up here, select the format, and change it to red as I did before. And likewise with the first method, you can also change the text wrap back to inline and have your image inline as well. That's all there is to it. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.